You get home after a long day, open the door, and breathing air that smells like a mountain forest after rain. No expensive air purifier humming in the corner. No chemical sprays that give you headaches. Just fresh, clean, natural. My grandmother never bought a single air freshener in her life, yet her house always smelled like a garden, like walking into a peaceful sanctuary. She knew something that science is only now confirming. Today I'm showing you her 7 secret plants. And wait until you see plant number 5. It's completely safe for your pets. It multiplies for free. And NASA calls it one of the best air purifiers on the planet. Let me show you Grandmother's Secret Air Garden. If you want more natural home solutions like this, that subscribe button is right there. Your support helps me dig up more of Grandmother's secrets. Now let's get started. Plant number 1. English Ivy, the Bathroom Guardian. English Ivy is exceptional at removing airborne mold and absorbing odors from the air. Studies show it can reduce mold particles by 78% in just 12 hours. 78%. NASA confirmed it removes formaldehyde and benzene too. Those invisible chemicals that make your home smell off. That's why it's perfect for bathrooms, where moisture and mold love to hide. Now here's what lazy gardeners love about ivy. It's so hardy, some people consider it a weed outdoors. It just won't quit. Indoors, it quietly does its job. Water it every week or so. It won't complain if you forget. For $8 to $15, you get a living air filter that works around the clock. Your bathroom will smell like an English garden, not a chemical factory. Pro tip from Grandmother: hang it high in bathrooms. That's where mold particles rise. She knew this before the scientists did. Plus, snip a cutting, drop it in water, and you've got a free new plant. Unlimited ivy for the cost of one. One note though, keep it out of reach if you have curious pets. Speaking of Grandmother's favorites, plant number 2, Peace Lily, the Guardian Angel. This was Grandmother's favorite. She had one in every room of her house. She called it her Guardian Angel plant. And now I understand why. NASA rates Peace Lily as one of the top air purifiers on Earth. It removes formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. But here's what makes it special for odors. It releases moisture into the air through its leaves, which naturally freshens dry, stale rooms. You know that stuffy feeling when the air just feels dead? Peace Lily fixes that. Now here's the best part. This plant is nearly impossible to kill. You know why? It tells you when it's thirsty. The leaves droop dramatically, like it's putting on a little show. You water it, and it perks right back up within hours. It's like having a plant that comes with instructions. Those elegant white flowers make any room look expensive. Your guests will think you have a green thumb. The secret? You're just following the plant's orders. Grandmother's placement, secret. Put it near new furniture. That new furniture smell everyone talks about, that's actually formaldehyde. It's not a good thing. Peace Lily eats it for breakfast. Keep it elevated if you have pets. Now, let's talk about what NASA calls their number 1 air purifier. Plant number 3, Chrysanthemum, NASA's champion. This one might surprise you. NASA ranked this beautiful flowering plant as their number 1 air purifier. Number 1. Out of everything they tested. Why? One word: ammonia. Ammonia is in pet urine, in cleaning products, in bathroom odors. It's that sharp, unpleasant smell that lingers. Mums break down ammonia like nothing else on this list. Now, mums are seasonal bloomers. They're not going to flower all year. but think of them as a $5 air purifying system that also looks gorgeous. When fall comes and your house gets stuffy from being closed up, bring in the mums. It was grandmother's fall tradition. Every October, mums came inside, beautiful blooms in yellow, pink, red, white, plus serious odor fighting power. Best $5 you'll spend this season. Pro tip, place them near litter boxes or pet areas. NASA says they're the best for ammonia, so put them where ammonia lives, generally safe for homes with pets. Quick question for you. Drop a comment. Are you more concerned about pet safety, or do you just want the easiest plants possible? Type 1 for pet safety, type 2 for easy. I ask because plant number 5 is going to blow your mind either way. But I'm curious what matters most to you. Plant number 4, Areca palm, the natural humidifier. This one does something the others don't. Areca palms release up to 1 liter of water into the air every single day. Why does that matter for odors? Dry air holds and intensifies smells. Think about winter. When your heating is running, the air gets dry, and suddenly every smell in your home seems stronger. When you add humidity, you dilute those odor particles. The air feels fresher, cleaner, more alive. It's like having a natural air freshener and humidifier in one beautiful plant. Care is simple. Water it 2 to 3 times a week. It's forgiving if you miss a day. No pruning needed. It grows slowly indoors, stays manageable for years. Those graceful fronds create a tropical resort feeling. Your living room will feel like a spa lobby. Your guests will wonder when you redecorate it. Cost $20 to $40. But it replaces an electric humidifier and air fresheners for years. Pro tip, perfect for winter, when heating dries out your home. That's when odors get worse. And this palm fights back. Good news for pet owners. Areca palms are completely pet safe. But if you want the ultimate pet safe air purifier, you need to hear about plant number 5. Plant number 5, spider plant, the ultimate survivor. This is the one I teased at the beginning, and it deserves every bit of that hype. NASA loves this plant, loves it. In sealed chamber tests, spider plants removed 95% of toxins within 24 hours. 95%. It removes formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene. It's one of the fastest air purifiers you can own. But here's why everyone can grow this plant. Spider plants are nearly indestructible. Forget to water it for 2 weeks, it forgives you. Low light in that corner, it adapts. Too much sun, it adjusts. It's the plant that thrives on your neglect. It actually seems to get stronger when you ignore it. And here's the magic. It's 100% safe for pets, 100% safe for kids, safe for everyone. You can put it anywhere in your home without worry. No keeping it up high, no closing doors. Just place it wherever you want fresh air. Plus, and this is the part that really gets me, one spider plant gives you unlimited babies. See those little plantlets that dangle down? Those are baby spider plants. Snip them off, put them in water or soil. Now you have a free new plant. 1 plant becomes 2. 2 become 4. 4 become 8. Grandmother had spider plants everywhere. Kitchen window, bathroom shelf, bedroom dresser, living room corner, every single room. Now I know why. She bought 1 plant and turned it into a whole home air purification system for free. One $8 to $15 plant becomes unlimited plants. Unlimited fresh air forever. Pro tip, put babies in every room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, Laundry room. If the tips turn brown, switch to filtered water. That's the only thing spider plants are picky about. Tap water chemicals bother them. That's it. Spider plant is the workhorse, the reliable friend that never lets you down. But our next one, it's the artist. Okay, be honest. Did spider plant just become your favorite? Hit that like button if you're planning to put one in every room. I'll wait. Plant number 6, golden pothos, the indestructible one. If spider plant is the survivor, pothos is the legend. This plant has been passed down through generations. I've heard stories of pothos plants that are 40, 50 years old. Same plant, still thriving. It's a formaldehyde elimination champion. That chemical smell from new furniture, new carpets, fresh paint, building materials. Pothos eats it, absorbs it right out of the air. And it works even in low light. Those dark corners where nothing else will grow. Pothos thrives there. This is the #1 beginner plant for a reason. Here's everything you need to know about caring for it. Yellow leaves, you're watering too much. Brown crispy tips, you're watering too little. That's it. That's all you need to know. Some people call it devil's ivy. You know why? Because you literally cannot kill it. It refuses to die. For $5 to $10, you get a plant that propagates endlessly. Snip a vine, put it in water. Roots appear in days. Now you have another plant. Trail it down a bookshelf for that expensive jungle look. That cascading green that interior designers charge thousands for. You can fill your entire home with pothos for the cost of one lunch. Pro tip, perfect for those dark corners where nothing else survives. That's where stale air hides. That's where odors linger. Put a pothos there. Let it work. Keep it elevated if you have pets. Now, our final plant is different. It doesn't just remove bad smells. Plant number 7, Gardenia, the fragrance finale. This one takes a completely different approach. Gardenia doesn't just remove odors from your home. It creates fragrance. One blooming gardenia can scent an entire room. Naturally, beautifully. The smell is sweet and clean, like jasmine, but richer, deeper, more complex. Real flowers, real fragrance. No chemicals, no artificial anything. Now, I'll be honest with you. Gardenias need more attention than the others on this list. They like humidity. They prefer acidic soil. They want bright light. They're not the set it and forget it plants we've been talking about. But here's why they're worth it. Grandmother's bedroom always smelled like gardenia. Always. It's the scent of comfort, of walking into a home that feels like home, of being wrapped in something warm and familiar. One gardenia plant replaces all your candles, all your plugins, all your air fresheners. $15 to $30 for years of natural fragrance. Compare that to $100 or more per year on chemical air fresheners. That give you headaches, that fill your home with things you can't pronounce. Pro tip, place gardenia in your bedroom. The natural scent is actually calming, sleep-inducing. It's nature's aromatherapy. Mist it regularly. It loves humidity. A little spray bottle. Once a day. That's all it asks, and that's grandmother's secret air garden. 7 plants that grandmother swore by. Plants that thrive when you forget about them. That work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep your air fresh and clean. No expensive machines humming in the corner. No chemical sprays that make your head hurt. Just living, breathing air purifiers that also make your home beautiful. And remember, if you have pets, if you have grandkids running around, if you want the safest option possible, Spider plant is your secret weapon. Pet safe, kid safe, multiplies for free, NASA approved. Start with one, watch it make babies. Soon, you'll have clean air in every room of your home. If Grandmother's Secrets helped you today, that subscribe button is how you get more. I'm always digging up natural solutions that actually work. The old wisdom that got forgotten. Drop a comment and tell me, which plant are you getting first? And what's your biggest odor challenge at home? Bathroom, kitchen, pet area? I read every comment. And your answers help me make better videos for you. Hit that like button if Spider Plant won you over. I have a feeling it did. Here's to homes that smell like grandmothers. Fresh, natural, full of life. Happy planting, friends. I'll see you in the next one.